Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Strip voltage must match the power supply and controller. Once done, clean the mounting surface so adhesive bonds, press firmly for 30 seconds. Next, attach the strip to the controller using the correct 4-pin or 2-pin connector, matching arrows and colors. Plug the power supply into the controller, then into the outlet. Make sure the controller's status LED lights. This tells you the strip has power, and you can proceed to programming. Now attach the strip where you want light. Measure precisely and cut only at marked cut lines so LEDs remain functional. If you need longer runs, join segments with solder or rated quick connectors. Ensure polarity matches so red goes to plus and black to minus. Route power leads to reduce voltage drop. Feed from both ends for runs over 3 meters. Secure strips with clips or mounting channels to prevent sagging. Make sure no adhesive sits on LED surfaces to maintain heat dissipation. Finish by configuring the controller. Pair the remote or open the app, select your strip type, and set white balance and brightness to prevent clipping. Test color gradients and animations at multiple brightness levels to spot dim zones early. If you see flicker or dim segments, inject power near the affected area or shorten the run to reduce voltage drop. If colors are wrong, recheck connector pin alignment and update controller firmware. These steps resolve most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.